look at this cool sky. Good morning. 6:30. Look at that color. I usually don't get to see this because I've already been at work for an hour by now. Amazing. Thought that was good earlier. Now it's 7 o'clock. Look at this. Have you ever seen a cloud like that? The whole sky is just... Here's the front. So I need to start here and get all these weeds out along this area till I get to the part where I took the mint out. So hopefully I can do that in 30 minutes. If not, I'm quitting early because I'm frustrated about my computer. So I'm not going to spend any more time out here because I have other things I need to do, like my pantry. Okay, well, I didn't get very far. A little section here, and then I got around these little plants here. Still need to do all this. Okay, I'm going to take every single thing out of this entire pantry. Okay, so I'm just taking everything out of the pantry that is not food, and I'm just gonna put it all on this table here, and I figure I'll get rid of as much of it as possible and then put the rest of it back, like up on the top shelf, because it's not stuff that I use very often anyway. And just slowly removing all this crap. Brandon just came home and said something to me. Just going to do. Hey, let's turn on some music for my background. Get some background music going here. Can you believe how much stuff I have in my pantry that's not food? Seriously, look at all this. Most people just put food in their pantry, but I have like half food and half other stuff. Up and down off the chair. Hey, I'm getting a good workout going, climbing up and down off on that chair. Seriously. I wouldn't be surprised if I wake up tomorrow morning sore from all those chair squats I'm doing. Yep, look at them doing calf exercises too on my toes, up and down. I think I'm getting down to the nitty gritty here. This is the last thing. Okay, look at this. My pantry's still full, and all this stuff, and all this stuff, and all this stuff. Okay, so I have to quit early. So what I did was I took all that stuff that was on that table and I put it on the top shelf because it's not edible and it's not stuff I use very often anyway. And then I had to quit early because I forgot that I promised Tony that I would make goulash. So now I'm just making the meatloaf, cutting open the grass-fed hamburger, chopping up some onions. Man, I wish I could chop onions that fast in real life. Holy cow, that'd be nice. I'm texting Tony with my watch and getting my recipe, looking at it, and I'm adding the spices, and now I'm getting the water for the noodle. Where the hell are my noodles? Okay, not on that shelf. Not on that shelf. I just bought a whole box of noodles. Oh, there they are. Thanks, guys. I needed that. Jeesh. Okay, now I'm just putting the hamburger in the big pan so I can make the sauce. 2 cans of diced tomatoes and 1 can of sauce, 1 can of paste. That looks pretty good. Heck yeah. I'm not sure what else is supposed to go in there, but whatever. This is what I'm using. Look, who's that? Who's that? Aliyah. Say hi. Did you just wake up? Say hi. Oh, look at the baby. Here's Aliyah with her new shoes. Her new shoes she got from her friend Ava.
Hi, baby.
Yeah.
I haven't recorded you for a while.
We made an obstacle course for her.
Granny made an obstacle course. Come on,
Yeah. Let's see you go. Good job.
New shoes.
Good girl. Yay. Good job. Good job. Mario. I don't have the doll, so she doesn't think it's funny. Say bye-bye.
Oh, I'll do that down.